Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is Fina's Kitchen and I'm so excited to be bringing you this soya milk recipe from our own soya bean. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So let's get started. So we have our 3 ingredients. We'll be using our soya beans, our vanilla essence and sugar. So these are vanilla essence and these are soya bean and these are sugar and these are soaked soya beans. This one is soaked for about 24 hours. We can see a big difference between this, the soaked one, and the raw beans. We can see that the soaked one is very big and very soft as compared to the raw soya beans. So before we start, we need to wash this one very well. So our soya beans is ready for us to blend it. So we take it bit by bit in order to blend it all. So I will then add my water to it. So these are soya milk ready for us to boil it. So we'll put this one on the fire for it to simmer. Make sure that you lower your gas. Your gas should be at the lowest point. And make sure you stir it to avoid burning. So I'm skipping the foam from it. So you boil it for about 15 minutes. So we'll be doing this and skip the tiny thing from it. You'll be doing this whenever you see it. So my soya milk is ready. Can't wait to enjoy it. But please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.